Never in my life did I think I'd be posing with a package of toilet paper. Hey everyone, I'm back, finally, and I'm filming in my bathroom. This is a great start. Today, I'm going to be painting toilet paper rolls. Well, actually, the leftover remnants, the remains. That sounds very ominous, given the current situation that's going on. Oh, jeez. How are you guys doing? I really just cannot believe what's going on in the world. I have to address it without actually saying it by name, but you know that thing that starts with a C. YouTube doesn't like when we talk about it, so we're going to pretend, kind of hint, but you guys should know what's going on unless you live under a rock. I do want this video to be mostly lighthearted. I'm going to be painting toilet paper tubes, the cardboard part. I mean, what is life right now? I don't know. So we're doing something that is a little bit weird, and why is this existing? Your guess is as good as mine. Honestly, I want to do something that everyone has, hopefully. That could be a sore subject. Before you come at me, I ordered this toilet paper back at the end of December. We have 4 bathrooms at our house. Sometimes we have people visit, you know, before all this happened, and I personally just don't like running out of something, so it's not that I'm hoarding it. I just like to be stocked, okay? I don't know why I'm so distracted. Probably because I haven't filmed myself on camera for like 2 months. I know. I've been okay. I didn't mean to scare you guys. I did update on my Instagram and Twitter, but I know not everyone has those. It's just, you never realize until it happens to you. Like, I've seen other YouTubers step away and take a break and not say anything. I'm like, why are you not saying anything? Like, why are you gone? Like, YouTube is the best thing ever. And then I just realized it happened to me. And I'm so happy to be back. I'm so happy to be back. But yeah, it's just not anything that I really planned for. Everything kind of happened at once, snowballed, and that is, now we're here. The 2 main things were, one, I was working on a huge project. It's going to be up on a different channel, so those videos aren't going to be here, but I did spend over 250 hours working on this project that is a secret for now, for a couple brands. 2, I needed this for me. I had developed a very unhealthy relationship with the way that I interacted with work. My relationship with YouTube, my relationship with work was very unhealthy, and it's been that way for many years. I just never took more than a week break, or, well, during the holidays I was off for a couple weeks, but before then, like in over 6 years, I had not taken more than a week to myself. That really had caught up with me. I was not growing as a human being. I did not go to a hair salon, which is something that I enjoyed doing. I did not do anything with my hair for 4 years, over 4 years. I just got so consumed. I'm just happy to be a better version of myself, and I'm still gonna be bringing regular content. It might not be every single week at first because I'm just getting back into the swing of this, and I need to make sure that I am doing it in a healthy and just the most efficient way for my life, so I don't give up things again. My socks do not match my outfits. But enough of that. I want to know how you guys are doing. Leave Hulu and Netflix recommendations, like shows to watch. I already saw Tiger King, and I'm already all caught up with American Horror Story, which is one of my favorite shows ever. Anyway, leave recommendations in the comment section below for me, for everyone else, because we ain't got nowhere to go. I don't even like the word ain't, but that is what this stay-at-home thing is doing to me. Honestly, it's not too much different than my everyday life. So this turned into a hugely long intro. Let's get on into the actual artwork. But yeah, I just had to address the elephant in the room. I forgot to throw in that pun. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me, supporting me during whatever is going on. I'm so happy to be back. I hope you guys know that. I love YouTube. I just needed some time to love myself. Let's not get emotional. Let's go. So here they are. Let's not talk about the fact that I was too lazy to put this soap into the actual cute soap dispenser, and then I just kept forgetting, so that never happened. But I have been saving these for a few weeks, and I do have one that's almost ready to go. So we're gonna be painting 4 in the video. Wow, this is the coolest thing I've ever done. Honestly, this probably should have been an April Fool's video, but I believe that that was canceled this year. See, we're almost to a number 4. I'm gonna be decorating the toilet paper tubes with acrylic paint and Posca pens. I have this scattered all over. See how messy my filming studio is? Also, that is a video that I have mostly filmed, so that will probably be up next unless I think of something different. Any guesses on what I painted on this TV tray? It's pretty. I'm happy with it, but I just thought we needed something different for now. Well, as if 2020 wasn't already enough of a sick joke, it is snowing in mid-April. Womp womp. I know the paper's a delicacy, I should have been more careful, but you gotta go. You gotta go. I don't want to paint over you. I can't. Why is this so stuck? Can't get it. Go. There we go. After getting as much paper off of the tubes that I could, I went ahead and filled these compartments of a paint palette with white paint, and then in each one I put a different color of the rainbow. I'm gonna do a pastel rainbow background on a couple of the tubes because colors are pretty and happy and are associated with all things positive. I just really like how they look. I like how they make me feel. So I just am doing a rainbowy gradient. I usually start my rainbows with yellow just because that just seems more natural to the color flow to me than starting with red or pink. But you guys can do it however you want. I did have a lot of paint left over, so I decided to paint a second tube. And that's really the main reason why I'm painting another tube with the same colors. I just didn't want to waste them. After letting the background paint dry, and acrylic paint does dry really quickly, so I didn't have to wait long, I went ahead and wrote this. It explains itself. I wanted to show you guys this one first because you already saw it in the intro completed, so it's not a surprise at all. But you're gonna have to wait to see what I do on the other rainbow tube until after this next design. And yeah, it's going to get a little bit messy. Not really. Let's try to do a drip with rainbow paint. Well, you know, to make a rainbow. Okay, I think this one is clogged. There we go. Is it going on top of the yellow? Yeah, that is not what I wanted to happen. I guess it's, oh no, it's going the wrong way. Why are you doing this? I should be standing in front of this. I'm gonna turn this around, see if we can start over here. I'm trying to make it look like a little pineapple. That was unintentional, but it happened. Now this is where I messed up last time on the second color. Oh, that should be better. Okay. Yay! Okay, I'm glad. Okay, no, don't go that way. Like, we don't want you to do that. Is this one clogged too? Gosh, my paint bottles are so crusty. No! I just touched the paint on the back. Oops. Okay, so you saw this one in the thumbnail, a generic paint drip with multiple colors. You know, it's really simple. This one probably took around 30 minutes total, even after messing up. A lot of people are at different art journeys, I guess, or like different passion levels. So I want to give a couple design ideas that are really simple. I did it again. I keep forgetting how. And then the next two took a little bit longer. And on to the last one, Apple tart. It's got a bubble. For those of you who are really negatively affected by staying in your home and feeling maybe lonely or trapped in a sense, or just really sad that you can't see people and it's really bothering you. I hope that art and YouTube videos in general can be kind of an escape or a way to cope with those negative feelings and emotions. Over the years, art has been really great therapy for me. I'm not saying that it's a replacement for actual therapists or professional guidance, but it does really help when that's all that you can do. It just really relaxes you. It makes you kind of go into this world where you don't think about anything except creating. I just added a little bit more to the yellow orange. I added some to Leo. That's my cat's perch. Leo. Leo. Hi, buddy. Hello. I added some more to the corally reddish pink color and to the lime green. Well, apple tart. No, don't go that way. So it's kind of inching along. That looks a lot better. So, I hope that these really simple ones, for those people maybe who are looking for new things to do and new hobbies to take up, hopefully these get you started. And then if you decide that you really love making art, painting, drawing, then you can go ahead and try some more intricate designs like I am going to show now. I'm going to be painting the background of this tube completely white, and in order to get it to stay, because it's pretty light and moves around very easily, I'm gonna put this guy inside like that. So I think that'll make it a lot easier to paint. Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's still kind of moving around, but I can always, you know, hold it. That's a smart thing to do, right? Oh look, that part's already white. So nothing too interesting for this one yet. I just want to have a nice base coat down so I can go in with Posca pens after and put some fun designs. You saw that I painted one background white. That's going to be the fourth design that I show, and that's going to be the one that took the longest amount of time. But for now, let's do something that requires not really a lot of thought. This is an abstract doodle Zentangle design. I find it really weird to call these designs Zentangles because I was doing them before Zentangle even got coined, I guess, trademarked. Not to say that I invented doodles, because these types of doodles have been around for many, many years, decades, centuries probably, but I don't believe that they had a name until like later on in my life, and there's like a whole method and there's books on the process. But anyway, yeah, you can just see that I did some swirls and outlines and dots and triangles and more outlines, and I created this guy who was supposed to kind of be like wind-like almost, but the flow got a little bit lost, so it's more static, but I think that it's still really cool. You didn't even move? Apparently I'm annoying him. Now for the last one. So this took about 3 hours-ish total. I was inspired to create this from Animal Crossing. I've been playing Animal Crossing a lot lately for Nintendo Switch. Unfortunately, it's kind of replaced my reading. Like, I was reading a lot of books, but
just at this point, I feel more like playing Animal Crossing instead. And you can do both, obviously, but I don't tend to have enough free time to commit to more hours of stuff. In Animal Crossing, you can catch bugs and go fishing, you can grow flowers, and you can explore different islands, you can visit friends. It's really cool and it's so relaxing. I love it. It's kind of like Zelda Breath of the Wild, if you guys have played that, but minus all the really scary and stressful events. Like, you don't have to battle anyone. So picture this though. Breath of the Wild world, like the setting where you can climb the cliffs and mountains, and just like how big that area is. The map, the world map is huge in Zelda. And imagine that, but in Animal Crossing style play. So you have a house that you can decorate. Basically it would be like a mansion, and then you can build other people's houses and stuff in the different towns, villages, and that would be so amazing. My favorite part about this ladybug beetle drawing, I didn't make it completely accurate. I took some creative liberties, I guess, but I love the metallic parts. So the leaf I did in metallic green and gold, and you can see that the gold really plays in well and bounces off the yellowy oranges of the actual body color of the bug. Well, I guess the wings, because that's the only colored part. Anyway, bug anatomy, we're not going to go in depth, but the last thing that I did with this is put on some spots. I don't know why that was so high, spots. And then I took him outside. No tulips were harmed during the making of this footage, but Mother Nature, as you can see, was not very kind to this guy. R.I.P. little flower. That is all. Let me know in the comment section below which design is your favorite out of these four. Since filming this, I actually do have more toilet paper tubes that I saved. I don't know if I should ever do this again, but if you're interested in seeing a part 2 without a long intro, let me know and I could do that, because this was kind of fun actually. And I'm gonna save the ladybug one for sure, and I'm gonna save them all. Let's be honest here. I'm thinking for my 10-year YouTube anniversary to maybe show you guys around my house like all my old crafts, because I saved almost all of them. So let me know if you guys think that would be a good idea. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be in a couple weeks. So yeah, bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I thought it would be fun. This is a great comeback. I don't know what else to say. If you made it to the end, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps. I mean, I haven't posted a video in a while, so I need all the ad revenue I can get, like, not gonna lie. No, but yeah. Ow. This is ridiculous.